Hi everyone, welcome to PE today. Today we're going to be doing an activity called water bottle bowling. I need everyone to have their sock ball and then just one water bottle. Put a little bit of water in it so it'll stay up, and then put it close to a wall, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using our sock ball for our underhand roll, okay? Really important that we're stepping with opposites, okay? So if you're right-handed, you're going to use your right dominant hand, you're going to step with your left opposite foot, and you're gonna roll the ball towards the water bottle. How it's gonna work, we're gonna have 10 attempts. Each time you knock down the water bottle, that's 1 point, okay? So, K through 2, I want you to take 3 big steps away from your water ball. 1, 2, 3, okay? 3 through 5, take 2 more steps. 1, 2, okay? So we get 10 attempts. So here's my first attempt, stepping with opposition. Ooh, I missed. Okay. Attempt number 2. Oh, I got it. So I got 1 point there. Set your water ball back up. Get back to your spot. Attempt 3. Oh, I missed. If it bangs off the wall and hits your water bottle, it still counts, okay? Attempt 4. Oh, I got it. 2 points. Three. Attempt 5. Oh, I got it. 3 points. Attempt number 6. Got it. 4 points. Attempt 7. Oh, I got it again. 5 points. Attempt number 8. Missed. Attempt number 9. Ooh, I missed again. Last one here. I currently have 5 points. Awesome. I got 6 points. I want you to try to beat my score at home, okay? Hope you're having a good day.